welcome to Cook with Grace Kisui. So in this today's video, I will share tell a story why we cook. Okay, and we are cooking spaghetti, creamy spaghetti. Now, yes, very yummy and nice. Try it. So I go tell her how I take meet my first boyfriend. One guy away from university finish school wey come my area come stay with him elder brother wey get barbing salon. This guy dey crush over me, and me I be this kind of person wey my mama no dey. She's a disciplinarian, so she dare not see you with any guy stand dey talk. So one day na so I come dey go water, being that dem live for the same area after my house, the same street with us. So I come dey go water, I wan go wash clothes, and so I come see this guy too. Him come meet me for water there we dey wash clothes. We swim o, nothing happen o, just do normal swimming because the water is separated. Dem divide the water into two, one for men, one for female. So after I finish wash my clothes, na so we come dey go house. On our way going house, na I come meet my elder brother. As my elder brother and him friend, one of him friend come follow dey go water. That him friend too, I dey see the guy for this guy wey I dey tell him elder brother shop, because the guy dey come charge phone there. You know say no light na. So na wetin happen o, I no know wetin him tell my elder brother. Na so my elder brother dem turn back, dem no go the water again. Elder brother go meet my mama. My mama come tell my mama say see wetin happen. I no know where I dey spray the cloth. My mama come meet me, come give me hot slap. I wan talk defend myself, and so she carry another slap back. She come beat me. I go by first night vigil for church o. I no fit stay for that house. I run comot go church. Thank God we get night vigil for church. Na so I go do night vigil o. The following day, na I meet this guy say dem beat me because dem talk say you be my boyfriend, and true you no be my boyfriend because of this single act. My dear, you go be my boyfriend? As I take do boyfriend by power by force. Yes, so now I take get first boyfriend for my life. I asked the guy out by myself because of the way Ben beat me. At least you worry about yes, so I be waiting you think now. I love you guys, remain blessed. Mwah.